Big picture, we are back above the 179.94 channel top. I don't see a sustained rally to 219.64. I do need to add the triple Q. I'll be watching it myself for validation on longer term upward continuation as we move through the rest of the year. I do see the triple Q needs to close above that channel structure, the 2.5-year channel top that Nvda settled above several weeks ago without any follow through. And I think that follow through would occur if we close this week above that channel top. Until then, we've got this kind of a mixed bag. I don't see us turning aggressively bearish, though, in Nvda unless we can close below this 4-month channel bottom at 174.31. So should I go short? The answer is yes, below 174.31. Should I go long? I'm going to say yes if the triple Q closes above its 2.5-year channel top. I don't think you necessarily need to wait that long, though. There is a channel structure, 182.55. I have it as a session containment level. I think if we close above this structure today, that is the beginning of a rally over the next 2 to 3 weeks. This could take a little longer as this channel top is rising at a pretty steep pace. It could take into later September before reaching 200.97. By the end of September, it converges anyway with 219.64, which will be our 2 to 3 month target. If we close this week back above 179.94, I have no way to see this but that you must allow 219.64 over the next 3 to 5 months or less. And I would say you must anticipate 219.64 if the triple Q also closes above its channel top over the next couple of weeks. On the upside, I do have 187.32, but until then, 182.55 may actually contain daily highs, and we can quite easily from here, from 182.55, ease back to 179.94. I say this kind of very cautiously, but I think you can buy a settlement today above 182.55. I think odds then begin to skew to the upside for Nvda, and I would expect 200.97 within 3 to 5 weeks or less. Going short through September, advised with a settlement below 174.31. Then I would expect the upper 140s by the end of September, contain selling through the rest of the year, and even well into the first quarter, we can round up from here back to new highs within several months of testing 149.29. Can you buy 174.31 on a 3 to 5 week basis? Yes, you can, because we could come off of it, and as long as we then follow through and close above some variation of this 182.55 channel top, and then we're off to the races to the upside. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.